Hey guys, so today we are in Monmouthshire, or nearby. We're actually in between the borders between England and Wales, in the Forest of Dean, more specifically the Lady Park National Reserve, here in Wales/England, sort of a grey area. We're looking out for wildlife today in the form of rabbits, hares, deer, anything really that comes up. And we're just going to view the sights as well. There's a lot to see here, and we're just exploring at the moment. We're in the middle of a walk. You can see behind me it's quite wooded, nice and wild. Let's go explore. Come on. Hey guys, so me and Connor are almost finished exploring this area of the Forest of Dean, the Ladies Park National Reserve, and it's quite a lovely place. Right now we're on this sort of wood/metal/rope bridge over the river, and it's a bit wobbly, to be fair, you know, sweet, but it's all good fun. Yeah, we're going back to the car now. Unfortunately, with it being January, the days are just too short. We don't really have enough time to explore these places thoroughly, but I definitely recommend you come down here, down to Wales/England, right in the border regions, and explore the Forest of Dean and the Lady Park National Reserve, I think it's called. Don't quote me on that. But you'll find it if you just search it online. Definitely recommend it. Just be aware you've got to be on the ball, because the paths, there's several paths going through this area, and if you're not on the ball you can get lost. Me and Connor have been on 2 paths today, and every now and again we've been like, hang on a minute, whoa, are we going the right way? But we got there in the end, so yeah, it's good fun. Guys, don't forget to look down below. The link's in the description, jackventurestv.com, to go to the hub. Check that out, it's updated weekly. And of course, remember, you only live once, live big. Ciao.